Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Ratnari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a multiple grouped box plot with standard deviation in OriginPro software for the raw data method. This is a data set. The data set already entered into the Excel software worksheet. Okay, this is a data. Now we take the three different variable and the one the data set. Okay, now the first one for the variable in the locations. The locations take to the two locations. The first one location the DRT, the second one location for POM. Okay, the next for the three different seasons. The first one for the pre monsoon and the monsoon and the post monsoon. Okay, the third one variable for the fertilizer, three type of fertilizer A, B and C. Okay, this is a planned growth parameter. Okay, this data copy paste to the OriginPro software. Okay, open the OriginPro software. This is OriginPro software. Now the first edited for the name of the logo. Okay, commands right click, the insert the new parameters. Okay, now the name for the comment sections. This is for the season. Okay, the next one for the commands edit, right click, choose edit options, the commands name delete, change to the location. Okay, then next one for the add to the fertilizer. Okay, now the variable name copy to the location name, the two locations, copy and locations column paste. Okay, the next one for the season, the season variable name copy, selected the variable season name and paste to the season column. Okay, the next one for the fertilizer. Fertilizer copy, paste the fertilizer column. Okay, next one the data copy, paste the data. Okay, now the data is ready. Now the created for the multiple grouped box chart with standard deviation in the raw data. This is the raw data. Okay, go to the plot menu and go to the categorical and select for the grouped box chart the raw data. Okay, open the new tab. Okay, check the before checkbox, click to the auto preview. Okay, input data for selected the selections for the options. Okay, select the whole worksheet and the group number for the three different groups. We take the three different group for the locations and fertilizer and season. So the select for the number of group 3 and the first one group are the locations. So the locations selected, then second one group for the season. Okay, the second one group for the season, then third one group for the fertilizer. Okay, then click the OK button. Okay, now the created for the multiple grouped box chart with the standard deviation. Okay, the delete for the checkbox, use the del key, and now the customized for the group box chart, the multiple group box chart for the OriginPro software. Okay, the graph size width is increased, then go to the graph menu and select for the fit page to the layer. Okay, the input for the first graph, this is the first graph. The merge control for the border option, choose the border, the border width for the 5, the adjust direction for the height and width. So then click the OK button. Okay, adjust the graph. Now the double click or the right click for the x-axis. Okay, the open the properties. Okay, this is for the new tab for the properties options. Okay, they select for the bottom of 3. Okay, go to the select for the tick and label the format option selected. Then click for the unclick checkbox for the auto checkbox. Okay, the direction of the text in the x-axis, the fertilizer name change to the 90 degree. Then click the apply button. Okay, this is fertilizer change to the 90 degree. Then go to the next one's adjust for the graph size is option to the graph menu, and the same option select for the fit page to the layer. Then no changes of this option, then click the OK button. Okay, then the customized for the XHS in the OriginPro software, the same the right click or the double click. Open the new tab for the XHS options edited. Okay, they select the 3 layer. Okay, use control key, select and select for the bottom of 3, 1, 2, 3. Change the font size and the font text. Okay, now select to the time Roman and the font size for the 18. Okay, they select the font size is time Roman and the font for the size for the 18. If you want the direction any change the total XHS, change the options for the 45, 60, 90 and 120 and 270 for the directions. Okay, if you want to select the bold option, select the bold. I am not selected for the bold options. Okay, no, unselect for the bold. Okay, they choose the bottom selected, auto checkbox unclick the 90 degree. Okay, then click the OK button. Same the for the options for the y-axis, double click or the right click. New tab. Then for the left axis, this is for the this is on the left axis, this is the right y-axis. Now the customized only for the left y-axis. Choose for the format options, change for the time Roman the font. Same for the font size is 18. Then click the apply button and OK. Okay, this is range for the double click. Select the text for the plant height. For unit for the centimeter. Okay, they choose select for the text, change to the font, time Roman. Okay, the font size for the 18. Okay, now the customized in the next one for important in the box plot for the graph. Okay, they select for the box plot and you choose the right click, open the plot details. Okay, open the new tab for the plot details. Okay, the first one for the pattern options, this is for the border color. If you want change to the border different color, use the bypaint color or the single color. If you want the border, select for the single color. Now I select for the biplots color, multiple color. So select for this color list options, select for the bold 2, then apply. Okay, the width of the border 2, then apply. If you want the change different color the border single color, choose these options auto, select for the bypaint colors. Okay, the next one options for the facing. Okay, the first for gap within the subgroup, I select for the 5. The next one for the gap within the subgroup, the 0. Okay, then apply. Okay, the even for the size for then the XHS. The next one options for the panel, the no selected these options. The next one for the box. Okay, if you want the any different size, select to the this many options available. If you want the bar graph, now selected only the box, so selected the box graph. Okay, the next for the whisker style I selected to the standard deviation, so the selected for the standard deviation the xt. Okay, the whole size for the 2. Okay, the standard selected for the 2, then apply, then select for the 2. If you want the label of the our box plot, the mean value, mean value or whisker value, select this checkbox option, the whisker value, then select it, then click apply. This is the lowest and highest value for the our data set. If you want the only mean value, select for the mean checkbox, only the mean value entered in the bar graph. Okay, the next one for the distributions option, the no selected of the any changes in the distribution options. Next one for the person, this is option selected for the only the mean value. Okay, if you want the any style of the center of the graph in the symbols, change to the oval or the square, any one option selected. This is standard option selected. If you want the center of the square shape, the change to the size, increase to the 5 to 8. Okay, then I change to the 8. For the 12, select to the 12 options. Okay, this is a 12 for the center of the mean value may indicated for the box in the box plot. Okay, the next one for the outer line, there's no changes in the outer line. Next one for the lines, this is a line for the medium connected line. Okay, this is for the medium connected line. I change to the medium to the mean, so on click for the checkbox and the select for the mean lines. Okay, then apply. Okay, then selected for the mean value of the center of the value, average value for the our graph. Okay, this is for the color line for the black. If you want the auto selected, then select auto. Okay, this is auto selected line. Then width size for the 12. Okay, the line for the width size is 12 is auto. Okay, next one for the connected line, no changes. Okay, select the OK button. Now this is creating method for the multiple grouped box sort with standard deviation OriginPro software in the raw data method. Okay, this is a raw data. This is a raw data in our graph. Okay, this is output of our graph in the OriginPro software. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. This video, this software, the source file entered added to our Telegram group. If you want the practice of the this graph created to this graph, download the source file for the template in the multiple group box set with standard deviations. The Telegram link mentioned to our description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.